My name is Melanie McGuire. I am the Senior Director of Programs for the Houston Food Bank. The work at the food bank has a personal connection to me. I probably didn't know growing up that I was food insecure, but I did know that I grew up with a single family household. I grew up with a parent that immigrated to the United States where English was not their primary language. And I also understood that place mattered. My mother worked two jobs and we would stay at people's homes, and it afforded me the opportunity of education. And I never lost that perspective that, my experience was likely very different simply because I had access to those resources. Through our partnerships with many of our health systems, we've really looked at a couple of different ways of how we measure success. One of them is just in what ways are we learning from each other? Food banks bring a tremendous resource to communities through leveraging programs like the USDA, and health systems bring a lot of insight in terms of data around what they're seeing as primary needs in communities. We really kind of establish a culture of learning. Food banks have a really important role to play in building an anti-waste health system. There's a food bank in every zip code. And the learnings that we've had have really taught us that particular communities are disproportionately facing higher rates of food insecurity and social needs than others. The value of the intersection is really that opportunity to share these experiences, the opportunity to build a network, to share best practices, to uplift learnings, to learn for one another is critical to thinking about our work in the future and our sustainability.